Dig, 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 dig. Final sauce is here. Yep. Ta-da-da. Time for eating.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you.
So guys, preparation for cooking the groundnut sauce has begun. First we have to boil water, which is here and boiling. That's fire. This is our charcoal stove, how it looks like. So let's first boil water and so I'm going to add in my greens, so it boils with water like so. And all the eggplants all together. These are small eggplants. I don't know the right name in English, but in our language we call it tula. My greens are boiling and I'm going to be adding groundnut paste anytime from now. So most definitely I need this spoon as I do scoop through. And this is our groundnut. This is it. I'm going to be getting this groundnut powder and put it in the saucepan. Yeah. The reason why I keep scooping through is because these groundnuts have a tendency of, rising like the way you cook milk tea. You have to keep attending to it. So same way here. So just like milk tea, this is how groundnuts keep rising, and yeah, of course I have to keep scooping through such that it doesn't fall all over. However, we have the big tomatoes also, as you can see. In another news, guys, I'm going to be adding some tomatoes. We have the big ones, as you have seen, but these ones are small, quite small, and we call them prostitute tomatoes. In our local language, they are called obunyanya bwa malaya. In layman's language, English, direct translation means prostitute tomatoes. So I'm washing them, these ones. I'm going to chop them and add them to our sauce tonight. And I will add this spice called Royco and a tomato, it is already chopped halfway. And then I will add this. These are garlic. That will be it. And yep, let's go. So guys, I've finished chopping my small tomatoes, my garlic, onion. This is Royco, which is like a spice, and this is salt. So I'm going to pour everything in the sauce as you're going to be seeing, and that will be it. Our sauce is getting ready, guys. The lighting is not enough outside, it's chill. And let me add in my ingredients. Ooh. Everything in and stir a little bit and let it settle and boil and cook. Oh my God, it's becoming dark. So guys, this is how our food has turned. Our sauce has turned out with greens inside. It's now ready. I'm going to go be preparing food for dinner. That one I won't take you along, but yes, this is it, guys. You even have no idea how delicious this is. A mixture of peanut, groundnut paste, and greens. It's so delicious. And you guys subscribe if you haven't. Road to 1,000. Don't skip without subscribing. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Dig 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 dig. Final sauce is here. Yep. Ta-da-da. Time for eating.
Eu não aguento rir.